side of a building has collapsed at Bondi with 2 people there at the time. Cameron Price.
Baik, seterusnya bagi mengulas mengenai keretakan bangunan sekolah kebangsaan Taman Sungai Besi Indah
ataupun pihak pendidikan Jabatan Pendidikan Daerah dan mereka masih menunggu respon daripada.
Many people do not know that small cracks can get bigger if left unchecked. That is why we need to prevent it before it is too late. But how?
What is your problem?
The problem is, for the modern method, first, it's very expensive price device that contains so many functions besides detecting crime. Second, the instruction to use device is very hard that just can't be understand from the trained person. For the old method, first, it takes a long process to find the cracks. Second, it's very dangerous in some areas such as apartment, and lastly, need more than one person to do the job.
Hi, I'm Haziq Azhad.
Hi, my name is Ainul Syuhana. So here, our project. Objective of our product is first, to build a crack detecting system project that can be conducted by everyone with a simple application system. Second, to cut time. Third, prevent from any unexpected dangers such as falling. And last, to find the crack even in some difficult or high places.
So guys, we just improvise the system from this